running stitch. Running stitch. This is a very simple and easy stitch. This is a very good stitch for beginners. Let's see what you need. You need a fabric. This is linen, but you can use any fabric. It can be linen, it can be cotton, it can be silk. Now then you need a needle and pearl cotton or skein thread. This is embroidery floss. This has 6 strands. You can use 2, 3 or 4 depending on what you are going to do. And you need a pair of scissors. Now I have drawn a line here and marked. You can either mark or you can just take the stitches. Now you can start with a tiny back stitch. Tiny back stitch, then go down, come up, go down, come up. You can either start from right to left or left to right. Now this is the base of many stitches and very easy and quick to do. I will show you some samples once I finish this, and I will show you how it comes with the skein thread too. It is nicer if the stitches are small and even. Then when you finish, again the same way, tiny back stitch. Okay, now this is the running stitch. Here I am using 3 strands of embroidery floss. Now here I haven't marked because I want the stitches to be small. This is a very easy stitch. Anyone can do it, even children can do it, and you can create many designs. And please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I would love to see your comments too. And I hope to do many stitches, simple stitches first and then many others. Okay, now you can finish it. Right, now you can see the simple running stitch. This is with the pearl cotton and I have done it bigger, and this is with skeins and I have done the running stitch smaller. Here are some designs using running stitch. You can use these designs for bags, cushion covers, bed linen, anything. Hope you enjoyed the video and it is useful for you.